This video is about the unloading process. To unload potatoes gently, keep the drop height as low as possible. Dropping potatoes from a height of 10 centimeters onto iron is just as damaging as dropping them from a height of 1 meter onto other potatoes. Carefully lower the entire bunker at the unloading site to the lowest possible position. If a drop brake and a lowerable bunker head are present on your machine, lower both via the control terminal to significantly reduce the drop height. Make sure that the potatoes are unloaded continuously and evenly. You should try to avoid unloading in steps, as an uneven flow of potatoes can cause unnecessary damage. Raise the bunker during unloading to prevent blockages in the drop brake. After the trailer has been filled to a sufficient level, carefully swing the drop brake away and continue the unloading process by lowering the bunker head down. You must make sure that the unloading height is kept at the lowest possible level throughout. By following these specific steps, you can ensure that your potatoes are loaded gently.